Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and this is a long overdue video. I have been very busy in my work and designing kits and doing videos of other kinds. This is actually the new kits that are in my shop. I'm just doing a flip through of the papers. The projects will come very soon because I'm working on them. So I have 4 new Fussy Cut butterflies in my shop. So these are a mix of a little bit big and small, all kinds of things. So this sheet, I already had 2 kits in my shop, and this is the 3rd kit. So this is Butterfly Fussy Cut 3, and this has fairly big sized butterflies. You can use them in other things also, and I'll show you how you can use these. So this is Butterfly 3, and this is Butterfly Fussy Cut Set 4. So you can see you have a fairly good mix, but there is a more stress on blue butterflies. So that's that. And then you have, this is Butterfly Set 5. So again you get a good mix of big, medium and small size. These are pretty small, and these are medium. Some are a little big, like this one and this one. So you have a fairly good mix of all these. So this is Fussy Cut Butterfly Set 5, and this is the last one. So this is Butterfly Set 6, I guess so. This looks no, this is 5, sorry, this is 5 and this is 6. So this is 5 and this is 6, sorry, there's a mix up. So this is Butterfly Set 5 Fussy Cut, and this is Set 6. So these are the 4 Butterfly Fussy Cut sheets that are in my shop. And then I have also launched some MASTERBOARD Botanical Sheets. I had MASTERBOARD Wallpaper and MASTERBOARD Butterflies sheet, and then I went ahead and made some botanical kits. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is Set A. There are 2 sets, Set A and Set B. So this is Set A, and you can use them in as rip strips, cut them out, use them in your collages as background pages, whatever, and you can use them as main pages also. They are designed in such a way, so if you fold them like in a journal page, you get this on a page and this. So this is Set A. So there are 5 sheets in each of the paper packs. Set A has 5 sheets and Set B also has 5 sheets. So this is Set A. This is first sheet. This is second sheet. This is third sheet. Fourth. And 5th. So there are, this is Set A, done. Okay, and then we'll come to Set B. This is Set B, and this is the first page. So there are variations in colors, but mostly it is blues, pinks. I think there is some violets also. This is Set B. This is Set B, page 2. Okay, so this is Set B, page 3, page 4. Again, some little bit of purple over here. Usually I don't have any purple in these kits. And this is page 5. Okay, so this is Set Set B. So just let me walk you through. So this is the first page, second page, and this is how it is. So this is Set B, this is Set B, and this is Set A. So this is Set A and Set B, and those are the single fussy cut sheets. You know, they just come in as single pages. So then the butterfly sheets are over here. So I will be doing some projects very soon, so watch out for that. And bye, stay safe. Thank you for watching.